Okay, I think I'm getting car seat. Okay, baby, you need this out the car.
What the f?
We started off as friends, but now you're my heart. Ooh, I'm starting thinking my medicine, cause I need you, yeah. Say and J and say, yeah, you watching Say and J. We some stars like bathing Nate. Yeah, we get paid by vlogging days, trip you out the Prada way. Yeah, you watching Say and J.
Hey CJ fam, welcome back to another movie, y'all. So I'm currently in Party City right now because I'm trying to find fake blood because I'm about to prank Say real quick. Y'all know it's like I think 3 days until Halloween, and you know your girl gotta get them, okay? So I saw online that you can get like these fake blood capsules, and that's what I'm gonna use because I'm gonna prank Say after we leave the gym, and I'm gonna just act like I'm feeling like really sick, and then I'm gonna cough up fake blood to get his reaction. So let me go ahead and find this fake blood capsule thingy, and I'm gonna see y'all when I find it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's movie. So I done found what I was looking for. So pretty much how this is gonna work is I'm gonna put one of these capsules in my mouth under my tongue when I get ready to, like, you know, prank Say, and we gonna see how he react, you guys. And then when I bite the capsule, that's when the fake blood just gonna be coming all out my mouth. It's gonna be so nasty, but it's gonna be so worth it because Say it's time for him to get got. Like I'm not gonna hold you, like I've been giving him a break, but I'm tired of giving him breaks. It's time to prank my baby, okay? So I'm gonna see you guys when I go pick up Say, and probably when we get to the gym. Yeah, y'all know it's J-Way all day, every day. See y'all soon. So I'm in the car, and before I go get Say, I just wanna really quickly practice how I'm gonna do this because this is my first time ever doing this, of course. But it say that you don't supposed to ingest it, so, but you can bite it. Okay, I just do not want it getting on my, okay, whatever. We just gonna go for it. All right, here I go. Oh wait. It's kind of hard to bite. Am I doing this right? Oh. There you go. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't want to do it like right now for real, but it did open, and like y'all can see how it'll just come out. Oh my gosh. CJ fam, I hope y'all enjoyed this movie. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Bye. All right, CJ fam, so me and my baby, we are currently at the gym right now.
Yeah, man, about to go ahead and put this work in. You feel me? Go ahead and get that weekend food off our systems. Yeah. Put this work in.
Yeah, you guys, I haven't been in the gym in a minute. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It's probably been like a week and a half since I've been in the gym. So,
like 2.5.
No, it has not.
More like 2.5.
It has not been on 2.5. It's
Right,
probably
yeah.
been a week and a half. But I'm about to get back consistent because your girl gotta get this body right, okay? I'm not trying to be, you know, having a big back.
Not big back.
But yeah, baby, what you gotta work on today?
I got biceps and shoulders today.
Okay, so upper body. I got quads, hamstrings, and glutes today.
Yep.
So lower. But y'all, we about to go ahead and stretch, and we gonna see you guys after our workout.
Yeah, man.
Cause we got a lot to do today.
We do.
Mwah.
We do got a lot to do today. You need to stop by the grocery store.
We can. I really want to go home because I'm not, I don't know, I just feel like really sleepy.
You feel sleepy? I mean, that's how you gonna feel when you leave the gym.
But it's like, I don't know, I feel just exhausted. Usually when I leave the gym, I don't be feeling like this, but I don't know, maybe because it's just, I haven't ate nothing.
It could be you haven't ate none. It could be because you haven't worked out in like 2 weeks.
I should never had this slushy because it's probably messed me up.
wanted to get slushies.
I just need some real food.
What we got in mind?
I don't know. Just go home first. No, you can go to the grocery store. Go ahead and go to the grocery store.
Are you sure? I'm gonna turn around.
I don't know why I'm feeling like this right now. Ooh, babe. Okay, I think I'm getting car sick. I think
You
that's
getting
what
car
it
sick?
is. Yeah.
I ain't even driving bad.
I don't know. It's just like the motion of just in the car, of being in the car, is making me want to throw up.
What the hell? I mean, how much better? You want me to drive slow?
I don't feel good.
You want me to drive slow?
No, you drive it. You just go to the grocery store.
Yeah, I think we should go home. I can just always go out to the grocery
we already by the area. I don't want to have to like have you drop me off and then go back.
I mean, if you're not feeling good, I feel like that'd be like the best option, don't you think?
I got water. It's okay.
All right.
I'm okay. I just need to lay back for a minute. I do not feel good.
And of course, it's traffic. Of course.
It's like when you move the car, I just get.
I need to get over.
Okay, babe, we need to stop the car.
Said stop it.
Yeah, like maybe is there a parking lot somewhere we go to? Like, what's over there? Like what?
Kroger. I mean, you got Kroger, but I was doing more pub. The hell, you good? The fuck is that? What's your problem? You good? Are you sure? Jay, don't throw it. Don't throw it. I'll pull this car over so fast, and you better not throw it. You better not. Jay, what the? Hell no! Hold on. I'm pulling this bitch over right now. Bro, that's blood. Oh hell, no. Lay down. Lay down. Oh. God damn. Hold on, bro. Shit, I'm finna pull this bitch. Hold on. Here. Stop. Keep that right there. You got any more? Babe, keep that. Hold on. I'm about to go on the other side. Cover your face. What the hell happened? Jay, here, use the shirt. Spilling blood, bro. What the hell is going on? Ugh, what the? We need to go to the hospital.
Get in the car. Oh no, I feel so bad. I keep.
Jay, put the shirt. Jay, put the shirt over your mouth.
I keep blood.
Keep talking. Keep it over your mouth. Keep it right there on your mouth. Come on, we finna go to that, what's it called? Come on.
I don't feel good.
Yeah, you
I
good.
told you I didn't feel good.
Come on, we about to go to the doctor real quick. Right now, we finna go to the hospital.
What the?
Come on, you good? You still gotta throw it?
Yes.
Keep the shirt over so you won't get it in the car. Come on. We finna go to the ER right now.
No. Babe.
What you ate? What you ate something?
I tell you, my body don't feel good.
Yeah, we're going to the ER. Come on. Come on, You gotta stay with me, babe. Just keep that over. Jay.
I'm trying not to throw up in the car.
Jay, just keep the shirt over your mouth. Damn.
I'm sorry, babe.
No, you fine. Shit. You can't control that.
It's like I keep trying to try to throw up, but it's not coming out no more.
So you might be good. Alright, if it do come out, keep that shirt right
No,
there.
I'm throwing up freaking blood.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, we're finna go to the hospital because why are you throwing her blood right now?
Throwing
yeah,
the
look,
blood.
Just give me 5 minutes, bro. Just give us 5 minutes. We're finna be there. Just calm down. Keep the shirt over your mouth if you feel like you need to throw up. We almost there. Then these cars driving
drink
slow.
No water because I don't feel good.
Bro, come on, bro. This shit gotta be happening during traffic time. Keep it over your mouth. Over your mouth. There you go. There you go.
I think it was still like, oh my gosh, this is so nasty. Dang, I don't feel good. Man.
Come on, we almost done. Jay, keep it up. Put it over your mouth.
I'm gonna throw up on you.
Jay, stop. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Jay, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm driving. I'll swerve this motherfucker with a quickness. What the hell is you laughing for, bro? Bro, hold on, bro. Now
It's a prank.
I'm finna pull over now, bro. Bro, you got me pulled over.
Oh my god, that hurt.
Bro, what the hell is this? We in the damn library?
I just spit it out. That was funny. Hold on. I gotta
Jay,
drink
what
this.
the hell
I
are you talking about
can't be
spitting
swallowing
out?
this.
What
Hold
you
on.
spit out?
I can't. It's these right here.
The fuck is this? Hold on, bro.
It's just fake blood,
It
babe.
looks like a mini balloon. Carrying me like
I'm
that.
sorry, babe.
That ain't nothing to play with.
Ugh, I gotta get this out of my mouth though. It's
Nah,
so nasty.
I don't even know where we at right now. This is a library? You got me pulling over here at libraries, bro. You playing too much, bro.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. You wanna go to the grocery store still?
Yeah, hell yeah. I want to go to the grocery
You
store.
wanna go to the grocery store like this?
Like what? All you gotta do is to clean the side is fake blood, right?
Yes, babe.
Alright then.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
Damn, so you just messed up one of my favorite shirts.
Babe.
Bubby, look, I love you, man. Look at this shirt. This shirt over with. And it's white.
Oh, babe.
Ugh, yeah.
And it's white.
So it's fine. It's fine.
Joke's on you! So CJ fam, it looks like J-Way got one up.
I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even know
Yeah.
they made blood. What the hell? A blood capsule? Like, what is that, bro?
Y'all, I tell y'all, the taste of it was so disgusting. Like, I was actually happy that I was, spitting it up.
Like, that was nasty, bro. When I first seen you throw up the blood, that was so disgusting, bro. I hate looking at blood. I hate looking at shit like that. That's disgusting.
Yes, they don't like blood at all, y'all. But it's the Halloween season, so.
You don't play like that, bro. Like, I'm over here really driving to the hospital.
Right, at least you was about to take me to the hospital, shoot.
Of course. I'll take you to
Aww.
the hospital, Joe.
You were so sweet about it though, babe. But I started laughing. As soon as I was about to throw up on you.
No, you better not. Don't.
When I tell y'all that was like so funny.
Do not throw up on me.
I was like, I
please.
gotta go ahead and tell them it's
Like I told you, this car will get swerved over real quick.
Don't say that.
I would have got the shit. You threw up on me, this whole car was finna get to swerving.
Anyway, CJ fam, I hope y'all enjoyed today's movie. We love you guys so much. Y'all, we about to go ahead and go to the grocery store. I had to get myself cleaned up a little bit because I hope, is it stained? No, I look fine.
No, you have red stuff all on the side of your face, all
I
over
do?
your hands. Yes, all over the left side of your face you have.
Oh
red
my
stuff.
gosh. Yeah, we probably gotta go home.
Oh, we're definitely going home.
But CJ fam, this is the end of this movie. And without further ado,
Say and Jay is out of here.
see y'all in our next movie.
Tap in, watch us, vibe out to them. Watch us just like Blu-ray. Have a good time, they so in love with us. No, they ain't dubbing us. Just hit subscribe and vibe out. We got bang.